G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing these New York Yankees hats or caps, depending on where you are from. They are all the same shape. They're all the same shape hat, which is the 940 A-frame. These are all from a store called Culture Kings, which is in Australia, but I'm sure you can find the same shape elsewhere. So we'll start with the one I got first, and that is this light gray one. Now this was given to me as a gift, and when I initially received it, I didn't know if I liked it or not. It's very light, and I'm used to wearing more darker hats. But this grew on me very quickly. This pairs well, just casually wearing the similar colored track pants, gray track pants, light gray track pants, and goes well with white t-shirts, dark t-shirts, whatever. If you're looking for a more lighter style cap, then this one does the trick. And I'll say something about the framing as well. I like the shape of this hat. It just frames my face well, I feel. Obviously, we've all got different shaped faces, so find the shape that works for you. But I find this is a very strong shaped hat. And this color works really well in a kind of casual setting. So it's gray. I'll give you a close up. And I like the fact that it's kind of an understated New York logo as well. It's not really in your face. So that is the gray cap, 100% cotton. We'll go to the opposite end of the spectrum and the black one. Now the black gives you a totally different look, and I feel because of my dark features, it really accents them and it contrasts with the skin color as well. And this goes with basically everything, but you probably want to pair it with something dark as well. Dark hat, dark top, navy, that works well. This looks good with a pair of jeans and even smart casual wear, leather shoes, belt. You can pull that off more easily, I feel, with the black cap. So that's what it looks like from the side. And yeah, in this particular cap, the NY, you can't really see it, but it is there. And so again, it's very subtle. You can get similar styles to this that have, white logo or gold logo, all different types. So again, it's up to personal preference. But, I'll show you from behind as well. Yeah, I should probably mention that they all have this at the back, which I prefer to any Velcro straps. So I prefer these kind of straps. So that is the black cap, the black 940 A-frame cap, New York Yankees. And then finally, we have the caramel, which is, I feel, a happy medium. So, on those days where you try out your different hats with your outfit and it doesn't quite go well, then you can chuck this one on. I also like this because this is the one that does have the non-subtle logo, and I feel the caramel goes well with my skin color, which is like an olive tanned kind of skin color. Give you a look on the side. And yeah, I prefer wearing this when maybe I'm not wearing dark or light clothing. I might be wearing a certain color, but it goes well with black clothing as well. So yeah, guys, that is the caramel New York Yankee cap. So those are the 3 caps I own. I may add to my collection soon, but these ones at the moment are fulfilling all fashion options that I go with. Guys, let me know in the comments below which one your favorite is, and are there any that you want to get in the future? I'd be keen to know. I always see online that there's always new ones coming out. But anyway, that will be the video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.